veins. I've been driving this train, years in this lane. There's no stopping this flame, cause I came.
Good morning, my dear.
Good morning.
Nice.
How
I love
are
it.
you?
I love it.
Oh,
That's,
thank you.
that's awesome. Oh my goodness, that's awesome. How are you feeling this morning, my dear?
Oh, good.
A little chilly, but hey.
Yeah.
Let's see here. Had a good week, so pretty decent.
Every time I'm breathing, it's a good
Hey,
day.
absolutely, absolutely. Walk a little bit, get a little bit of exercise for me.
Yes, I've been using my bars mostly this time.
Good, good. Hey, slowly, building that strength, stability, moving the joints. Like I said, all my veterans, pain is never going to be zero, but hey, the more functionability, motion-wise with the joint, but also, from your side, trying to build some strength. Especially, you're super thin, so we want to bulk you up just a little bit.
Yeah, I'm trying. I want to get bulked up too.
Let's go on our side here, my dear, and see what we got. But hey, hopefully we get some sunshine so you can walk a little bit today. It's a little chilly first thing. I know right on our back here. I think we got at least clear skies, but let's see here, my dear. Good, very good. Nice. Let's go other side here. Any chocolates yesterday or anything for Valentine's?
I did. Just a little bit.
Hey, I think those ladies got a bowl up there for you.
It's supposed to be good for the heart, chocolate.
The pure chocolate, the dark chocolate with pure, was it cocoa bean or? Now, although pure chocolate, without the sugar, is not always as a little rough. But very good. Eat a little bit this morning.
No, just drink some water to take my meds.
Okay, we'll definitely get some food on there. But
Oh yeah.
I'm loving the suit. That is awesome. Where'd you find that at?
I think it wanted a Forever 21 or something like that.
That's
Yeah.
awesome. Love it.
I love jumpsuits ever since I was a little kid. They're okay until you have to go to the bathroom. In a hurry.
Very true. Yeah. My wife got me one for Christmas. I wore it. It was elf, but it was the elf jump. Yeah, it was great except for that part. Yeah. It was fun. It was a lot of fun. Super.
What is this called? Does it feel different on my shoulder blades?
You mean like muscle tightness or?
Yeah, like not my shoulder blades, but I'm saying shoulder blades, and you went there.
Yes, these are shoulder
I
blades.
meant that.
Okay.
That's what I meant. My shoulder blades, those.
They feel pretty symmetrical. Now you get a little bit more muscle tightness on the right side here.
But it's usually this one that it's always this one that I have more problems with.
More tightness with or range of motion. Now, has orthopedic ever looked at your shoulder and stuff?
No.
Okay. If it keeps bothering you, because it's not really adjustment for a shoulder. Your shoulder's very delicate. Because,
it's just tight, it just be tight sometimes.
Now,
gas is in it.
Now one thing, really good stretch is coming across like this and trying to just open that shoulder blade up as much as you can, and then doing wall walks and you want to try to get as close to the door as you can, and that will open that shoulder capsule up a little bit more. Okay. Because you could have some scar tissue from the service, and well, I know you do. Just
and then my defibrillator is on this side too.
So it probably the body naturally kind of compensates because anything foreign in it, so it probably tightens just a little bit. So this is really good stretch to kind of open that up and get that shoulder blade open. But underneath the scapula, which is the subscapularis muscle, it can give a lot of pain. And there's not a lot other than massage therapy. They try to pick it up and like dig under there, and it's not comfortable. But
I've seen them do that, but I'm like, if it gives relief, I'm like, do what you gotta do. You could like when you did that.
You could use a good deep tissue. If do you have anybody you've used before, or any massage therapists you've used before?
When I was in a car accident, when I came here to Switzerland for the first time, I had a deep tissue massage, and that thing hurt so bad. I said that hurt more than what I can't. I said I can't, and I was much bigger, you know. But I said I can't. I said, oh, I can't.
You might try it again,
But on that, like it's always this left side, and it's always this shoulder and the blade and stuff.
Probably during time of service probably got damaged a little bit, packs and things like that. So you probably got a little heavier scar tissue, so you can heat it up a little bit and then trying to stretch it as much as we can. But massage therapy might not be a bad, let them dig in there a little bit. Not that it's gonna be, might bring a tear to the eye, but.
If it'll help, because I've been using my band for my knees.
To build some strength,
doing that stretching, because it kind of helps to keep them a little
the more stretch and core work, hey, can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with being stronger. No, absolutely. Okay. And then, but make sure get something to eat with some protein. Go over to is it Metro Diner? They get the big old chicken and waffles.
Oh, is that right?
I heard it's good. I have not had it, but I've heard it's awesome.
Oh, I'm a beast in the kitchen myself. I'm a beast in the kitchen. I'm a beast in the kitchen. I don't do the nuking and all that. I'm a beast.
All right.
But I have to check out Metro because I got to do a video at Metro. I haven't been there before.
If you need anything face tested, we'll do it.
All right, thank you. He was talking about Metro Dining, y'all. I'm about to go and do a video there. I've never been. I have to remember to mute the music.